Are you?
They just
Незважаючи на біль, despite all pain, I continue my fight.
Yeah.
And even if the world is on flames, you should act. That basically means the negative situation is you don't give up, go forward. This is very strong words, and we hope this can inspire people.
This is Eurovision 365, the Eurovision fan channel for every day, not just in May. Welcome back. My name is Podrick. What did I do that for? Welcome back. My name is Podrick. And if you are a Eurovision fan, come on then. You're very welcome on in here indeed. And especially warm welcome to you if you're watching this in Ukraine. Come on in. It's great to have you here as well. How's it going? Let me know your thoughts on all things Ukraine at the Eurovision Song Contest and, of course, Vidbir 2025. I'm reacting to the winning song of Vidbir 2025. And before I get on any further, why not hit that subscribe button if you're here already? Why not? Ukraine have a remarkable record at the contest, first appearing in 2003, winning in 2004, and as we know, they've won another 2 times, 3 in total, since their debut in 2003, and have a really, really good record at the contest. Vidbir this year, there were quite a few songs taking part, but the winner was a song by Ziferblat. Like that name. And their song is called Bird of Prey. Prey, of course, being spelled the pray way, as in devotion. And yeah, I actually haven't heard this song before. That's genuinely true. I'm just reading some of the comments here already before I react to it over on Eurovision World and our friends over there. Good luck to them. Somebody says, terrible song and horribly sung. This song is really good. Some people says, another person says, worst choice coming from one of the strongest countries in the contest. Well, that's what they're saying, and they are absolutely entitled to their view, as I'm about to share with you as well. Make sure to let me know your thoughts and your rating out of 10 for Ziferblat Bird of Prey. And while you're doing that, I'm going to react right now. Come on, let's do this. Oh, here it is now in 3, 2, 1. Press and play right now. Ziferblat. 10 songs, weren't there? Oh. That makes you sit up and take notice, doesn't it? Lovely vocals there at the start. Heavily guitar influence there as well. Oh. What's going on here? I love that kind of Ukrainian way of harmonizing. It's very anthemic, I think. What a unique voice this lead singer has. I like it. Like in the garden. Is it the Garden of Eden? I don't know. Bird of Prey. Oh. It's a bit messy, I think. Not sure where it's going. I do like it though. It's weird. It's kind of weird and strange and different and unique. Unlike some other songs. Sorry, Malta. This actually sounds almost like Serbian to me. It's very dramatic, isn't it? Dark, edgy, rock kind of sound. What's happening now? Singing tune, singing key. There's like such a mix of melodies going on here. It's fast, slow, operatic, pop almost, rock, metal almost. It's got something for everyone, doesn't it? Get the 70s sounding for me. It's almost like a song you'd hear at the 74 contest. I love that vocal though. That's saving us so much. That's my first time watching that actually. That's my first time listening to that song. That is Ziferblat and Bird of Prey. I actually don't mind that at all. Let's see who is involved in this song. Right, okay, here we go. I have to go closer because my eyes, I'm getting old. Danila Leszczynski, sorry, Fedja Sholdakov, Valentin Leszczynski, sorry, and Valentin again is a lyricist. So yeah, so that would be the performers who have written the song, and I like that. It's different. Bird of Prey, come to me as well, my little bird. A heavy song is lifted high by wings. My sweetheart, my love, don't worry. Fate has entrusted the world to the last of us. I'm looking for light. I'll cross the mountains and I'll call you. Yeah, it's a bit dark, isn't it? My heart was someone who flies. Bird, I'm begging you, please just live. Yeah, so it's kind of like a political kind of connotations there for me. I think this is going to divide, as I was looking there before I reacted to this, it's going to divide a lot of people. People are going to hate this, I think, or going to love it. And I can't see there being many people in between. I don't hate this, I have to say. This is kind of, as I was saying there before, just before the end, it's almost like a 70s sounding kind of song for me. Almost like you would hear from the former Yugoslavia. Song it reminds me of actually a little bit 1974, their song, the Corny you called them, and that was a great tune. What to say about this that I haven't already? Will the juries like that? I'm not sure. I think the juries will probably like that. Will the televoters like that? I don't know what they will. I think perhaps the jury is going to like this a bit more than the televoters, and that could be the problem for Ukraine, because they have to go through a semi-final, which is 100% televote, and they could struggle to qualify based on that. But I think if they do get to the final, which I would like to see, by the way, I could imagine them doing much better in the final. It's different. It's brave, I think. And I think bravery deserves reward. And yeah, we'll see how that does. It'll be interesting to see how they stage that as well, in terms of the Bird of Prey. Ukraine is known for the staging, and I can imagine this being really elevated. And maybe a bit of a sleeper as well. Could do much better, perhaps, than people predict. And I think it's going to do really well. But anyway, that being said, it is now time for Podrick's rating. My rating out of 10 based on this first listen, because it is, in this instance, I'm going to say 7 out of 10 for that. And I would like to see that on the bigger stage, just to see how it's elevated. So what do you think? Let me know your thoughts, your comments in the comments below, and your rating out of 10 as well. And why not subscribe to the channel? I should say as well, I want to wish Ukraine the very best of luck at the contest, and I'd be interested to see how it goes down. But yeah, thank you so much for watching me this time. I look forward to welcoming you back to the next video, whenever that might be for you. But until then, you take care of yourself. My name is Podrick, and it's over now. Bye bye.